remind you guys that we started from a $1 guys, and all the position are in profits guys. Hello trader, my name is Paul and you are on my YouTube channel for binary options trading. Here you will find the most private and profitable trading strategies for yourself. Friends, I hasten to inform you that you can find all private information in my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description under this video. Free access is valid for a limited time, so follow the link faster and register. Don't forget join my Telegram group with free signal. When topping up your account, use my promo code and you will receive an additional 50% bonus to your deposit. Subscribe, like and write the comment, it motivated me a lot. Well, now let's start our trading session. So today guys, we will continue our challenge. In the last video we stopped right there at $400, and let's carry on our trading guys from over here. The goal of the challenge reaching $100,000. I think we'll do that, and today we use the following indicators. We got the alligator instead of the super trend. Alligator is also a trend indicator. We're gonna open our trades following the trend, and the RSI and fractal are gonna help us enter the correction and the market. So let's get down to the analysis and look what we got here and the charts. Here's a good correction to the downside while the upward dynamics prevails, and that's why we're gonna open the long position. We trade with the trend right after the correction. Let's underline the trend line. We understand that the touch takes place, and I don't think that the price is gonna break it because the other side is currently in the oversold zone, and we see a good correction right here together with the upwards dynamics. That's why we open a long position here guys. Okay guys, we're gonna wait for a breakout. There are around 25 seconds left before the closing, and I'm explaining expecting in the breakout and in the end, and our position will be in 10 seconds guys, and let's just focus on the candles movement. And our first position has been closed with the profit guys. Nice level of the trend entry. The breakout has eventually happened and we're in profits. The correction is over for now, and let's pick out the next currency pair. Well, let's continue our analysis. Here we see a small breakout. I can say that the updating of the local low is happening here, and so we wait for the candle to go up a little bit, and we open a position according to the trend direction. However, the second breakout seems to be happening. Look at these guys. So let's wait for a second candle and then open our position based on its direction. Well, and let's open a short position here. Select the workspace. We open with the trend guys. All the moving averages are facing downwards. The alligator's jaws is above the price, and it tells us that the downward dynamics prevails here, and overall according to the RSI there is small correction on this zone, exactly that we saw here and here. After with the price movement should go lower, and that's why we open a short position, and there are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. And final seconds guys, and I gained. Our position is in profits. Great trade guys, great entry. We didn't rush things and waited a little bit. After that we fixed the profit, and so far so good guys, and we're not gonna slow down here, and let's find another currency pair. And yep, let's continue our analysis, and here we open another long position following the trend dynamics. We see the crossing of the moving averages of the alligator, with means that the upward dynamics should dominate here. And from this local low we see that the price goes to the upside, and we can conclude that there are gonna be upward price dynamics. And basically we saw the positive dynamics on the RSI, and so we open the long and we're waiting for a breakout. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Our long position has been closed in profits, guys. It wasn't complicated at all. If we open with the trend, then it's gonna go smoothly. And let's continue to our trading. By the way, here's also a good trade entry for a long, and so why not opening here? We follow the price dynamics here. I will bring our little technical analysis, guys. After this flat we see the price went down, and then the support zone played out here, and the local low has updated here, and from this point the price started going up, and updating of the local highs here, and another updating here. And in general we understand that here a strong uptrend, and after this pullback the price should continue going up, and that's why we open the long position, guys, and we see the breakout. Basically, guys, another position has been closed with a profit, guys. Obviously I'm happy with the outcome, and let's continue. There is not stopping here. Let's find another currency pair. We carry on our analysis. The suppers are played out here, and theoretically let's open 4 short position following the trend direction. Also we've seen a good correction. Actually the better to open right here, but if we point out the trend line we see a nice touch here, and then following the price dynamics should go lower, and the alligator's jaw is facing downwards, and in general we see the downward dynamics on the RSI. So opening short position is the key to success here. While on another position is in fees, guys. Let's refresh the page and continue our trading session. We already got $70,000 on our balance, and we're going to open $7,000 position, guys, and find another currency pair. For that, let's take a look right here, and let's open 7 long position, guys. I think the breakout is imminent here, while having the upward dynamics on the chart. We'll open our trades following the trend, and look, here's the crossing on the moving averages, and every single one is facing upwards. The more upward dynamics prevails here, and that's why we're following the trend direction. And right after this pullback, also we see the same positive dynamics on the other side, and basically open the long is best opting here. There 20 seconds left before the closing, and by now we are observing a good breakout, and let's wait for the outcome and watch the price dynamics. Guys, and all the position are in profits, guys. The breakout is gaining momentum, and we got almost $14,000 on our balance. Wow. Remind you guys that we started from a $1. Why do you believe that? So we're not gonna stop here, and let's open 5 or 7,000 positions, and let's pick out another currency pair. Let's take a look at here. Oh, look at this huge pump, and let's open long position here without second thought. I think it's not typical to see such a pump on this kind of measured price movement, and the touch of the resistance zone also takes place here. And let's highlight it on the chart. We also see nice volumes here going down this impulse, and it looks very similar to what is happening right now. By the way, these 2 candles have the same closing level, and overall price dynamics should go lower because of the flat situation. there were more downward dynamics, and after this correction the pullback to the downside is imminent. So we already saw the impulse candle after with the correction, or a small pullback should follow up, and in general we have a nice trade entry level. Yeah, and final seconds guys, and yep, all the positions are again in profits guys. We got almost $20,000 on our balance, and let's refresh the page. And basically we were already managed to achieve a great result. And let's open the final position for today, again $5 or $7,000. Let's take a look. So here's a huge impulse to the downside, and so we catch him emulated on the upper and long position. I think we catch a perfect trade entry level, brilliant trade entry guys. And overall we see the touch here, and it's highly unlikely that our candle will go that low like here, because the RCI is already at the oversold zone, and it looks like the crossing is gonna happen. We open our position ahead to the market, and in this correction here, after with I expecting to see the impulse to the upside, and yeah, and there around 15 seconds left before the closing of our positions. So the final seconds, 5 seconds left before the closing. This is very intense scene guys, and yeah, all the position are in profits guys. We got $25,000 on our balance right now. There we go. That's how we trade, and this is where we stop for today guys. We will continue in the next video.